Well, hey there folks, back in the 83 El Camino. Got the steering column all taken care of and got all that fixed and got all the new controls on here. So, we have our blinkers now. Of course, we have our high beams, low beams. We have our windshield wipers. And we have our washer here. You can hear it clicks. I think the pump's just frozen up under the hood. But it is functional. So we got all that there all fixed. And now we're just waiting for the new LED headlights to show up. When they get here, we'll go ahead and put those in.